All right, guys, Juan again with JMC Equipment at the BendPak booth here with Sean. We're gonna talk about this two-post lift, which is a 10 AP. Sean, take it away.
All right, thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. All right, so we got our 10 AP two-post. So all of our two-post lifts now come with our Azars locking arm mechanism here. So the big difference is the teeth and having all the locking teeth fully encompassed by the locking pad. So traditional locking mechanism with the half moon, short run of teeth, you're talking maybe 300 pounds of side loading at the most. They're gonna fail. These things, we pulled them to 3,000 pounds and they did not fail. So why does that matter? You look at EVs especially, but a lot of the other vehicles are following suit where the pickup points are on the extreme outside edge of the vehicle. So you get a tech that's going a little too fast, maybe that pad's just barely sitting on. They start wrenching on that car, taking off tires, moving around. It's gonna try and spit this arm out. This is gonna resist a lot more of that. Now, I'm not saying that someone's not gonna figure out a way to drop a car. Everyone will figure out, someone will figure out a way. But this is gonna significantly limit the odds of kicking out an arm and hopefully just losing a car, let alone hurting someone. So we're really excited about this, and this Azars locking mechanism is an exclusive to us, and it's on all of our two-post lifts, not just the 10,000 pound one you see here.